Okay, let us check with the scroller in custom visuals. So we have one beautiful visual in custom visuals that is called a scroller. Let me check where it is. Yeah, you can see this scroller. So let me click on this scroller and let me add this. So this is also the product of your Power BI visual, and let me click on this. Yeah, you got a scroller, it is imported. Let me take this visual and you can see how it gets scrolled. Okay, so if I take category, maybe product, with the sales amount, yeah, you can see beautifully now it is scrolling with respect to the product. Now if you want to see by segment, you can just cancel out the product and you can put a segment also. So it will show you government has made this much. So this is like when you are looking at any news channel and you can see that stock market prices are showing in this manner. So it keeps on scrolling, it keeps on scrolling. So once you over your cursor on that particular point, you will, that scroller will be stopped or paused. Okay, if you remove this category here, it will just scroll only the numbers, but you will not get like what are this is your total sales. But if you want to filter out these sales with maybe a segment, maybe a country, anything, so you can put that field here. So let me put that into a segment in a category and you can see this. This is how scroller works. If you want to change colors and if you want to change the font size, if you want to change the title, obviously you can go to formatting your visual. You can select the scroller and you can see all the options are there. So if you don't want background color to be black, so let me click and I'll choose a dark blue. You can see a dark blue one and you can see the date interval, it is 50. So if I make to 60 and you can see the speed of that interval. So if you are making it to 90, you can manage, yeah, you can manage according to that. And sorry, here you have a speed scroller, here it is 1.2. If I increase it to 2, it is more fast. If I increase it to 3, it is still more than the before. Okay, I guess you can see. You can increase the font size if you want. You can increase the font size. Yeah, now I have increased the font size. I have done so many settings here. So if you just want to reset it, just click on reset to default. Everything will be in the default. So this is how you can use the scroller and do the setting on that. If you don't want the title, you can just keep off that title. And if you want some effects on that, like background, and if you want to have some visuals on that, and if you want a shadow for your uh, scroller, you can put this on and you can. Okay. So this was all about how you can use a custom visual in Power BI visuals. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe, share it with your friends. Keep learning.